You're going to go to the left side here, then scroll down a bit and select the apps option. Once you're done, you'll go to the search bar and you'll type in text maker and hit enter. Select the first option, which appears here with an M, text maker. Scroll down, then select open. From here, we have hundreds of presets that we can choose from. And there are also pro texts that you can choose from as well, but you really don't need them. So if you go to the free options, I'm going to use this one where it says Ninja. I'm going to select it. Then you can change the text here under text. I'll type in work hard. From here, you can change the text font. So mine is currently set to bangers. Then you can change it to whatever other font that you want to. And then you can also change the text alignment if you have more than one word. So right now it says work hard. So I'm going to put the word hard under work. So I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see here, it changes the alignment. They can also change the line height and the letter spacing. Then here you can also add in some effects to your text if you want to. The purple circle in the top right corner of the square, it shows you that these effects have already been added. So this one where it says 3D, it has added in a 3D effect to my text. And if I want to remove it, I simply just select it. And then I turn this off. And then you can also change the filling of the text. You can either make it lighter or darker, depending on the color. And if you want to change the color, then you're going to select the circles here from the options above. Or let's say that you want to delete a few colors from the filling. You go to the right side here and select the pen icon. And if you want to change the color, select these circles here. And then you can change it to another color. Now, another way to do so is to go to the bottom here where it says color. Then here you can also customize the colors as well. And it says fill colors. So you can also choose colors from here. It directly takes you back to the same place that I showed you. Then once you're done customizing the colors, you're simply going to go to the bottom here and select add to design. And you can change the quality from low, medium, or high if you have the pro version. So I'm going to keep it on medium and you're simply going to say add to design. And there you go.